Let's start with the short crust pastry. In a bowl, add the flour, the icing sugar, and the seeds from a vanilla pod. Diced butter, cold from the fridge. And then, I will start kneading it with my fingertips to get a sandy texture. With icing sugar and yolks instead of the whole egg, this is a very delicate version of short crust pastry, perfect for this dessert. Add in the yolks and continue kneading briefly until the dough forms a loaf. Now I'll let it rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. Next, I will work on the cream. In a saucepan, pour in the milk, some lemon zest, and bring this to a simmer. In the meantime, beat the egg yolks with the sugar. Add in the flour and the cornstarch. Mix it again. Then dilute with some of the warm milk. I'll add in the rest of the milk and return it to the hot stove top. Let it thicken while stirring continuously. If the pastry cream isn't coming out right, thickening a little too quickly, or becoming very lumpy, you can easily fix it by continuing to boil it or by adding a little cold cream. And when the cream is ready, let it cool. Our short crust pastry has firmed in the fridge, so I'm going to roll it out onto a lightly floured surface. And I'll put it in the pan. This is the right time to patch up any holes in the dough, if necessary. Use the prongs of a fork to poke holes in the dough. Cook the crust, without toppings, for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Let's move on and start cutting our fruit. 2 kiwis, in half, then quarters, and finally in slices. Slice the pineapple and then cut into small wedges. Using large strawberries, I remove the stem, and then I like to cut these into wedges too. And now I can begin assembling my tart. Pour the pastry cream, which has been cooked and then cooled, into the crust. Even it out. And now arrange the fruit: strawberries, pineapple, kiwi, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And look here at our tart, ready to eat. Bon appétit!